Hey, what's up? My name is Michael Zalzali. I'll be your math teacher for Calc 1 this semester. And before we start the class, I would like to draw your attention that you, as a student, once you pass pre-calculus, you should be familiar with the following because I'm going to use them without going back to them. I assume you know them. But if we have some time in class, I can remind you with them myself. But by default, you should know them. I want you to know about the graphs of linear, quadratic, square root, cubic, sine, cosine, tangent functions, and how to evaluate at a certain point with or without a calculator. Sometimes I ask you, give me the exact value. I don't need the approximate value. How to find the difference of quotient of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Trigonometric identities, all of them. The relation between theta and pi minus theta. Double angle, half angle. Everything, and how to evaluate what's the sine of pi over 3, for example. And I would like you to know about logarithmic and exponential properties in graphs before you come to class. You can always have a little review about series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n was the value. I'm going to use those when I teach Riemann sum. So I would like you to be familiar with that. I usually respond to Hotmail emails, but since we meet 5 times a week, you can always, if you have any concern, stop me before the class or after the class, and I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Or you can come to my office. So we're gonna meet almost every single day during the week. But if you have emergency, I don't mind answering the email. Hopefully I will have time for that, but I usually do answer. I will only respond to Hotmail, and how we calculate the grade, I will let you know. You can always click here and I will explain it in the class one more time. Also, I put the syllabus here, and of course I will hand it to you in the class, but one more time, as you notice, we meet 5 times a week from 8 to 9 in the morning. We meet in room K226. That's my office. Also, my office will be G103D, and the telephone is there, and my office hours are there. So I'm always there. If you need me, you can come to my office for extra help, or you can go to the learning lab. And how I do the distribution of the grades, very nicely done here. I will give 5 tests worth 500 points, homework 40 points, attendance and class participation is 20 points. So make sure you don't miss a class, because missing a class is going to be harmful to you. If you miss a class, you need to get the notes from a classmate. It's your responsibility to do that. Quizzes and projects, it's 40 points. Sometimes I give a little project. I would like you to show me how you can do certain things. But the homework in general will be using my math lab. Quizzes could be in class or online. Either way, I will let you know in the class. And the final exam worth 150 points, which is 20% of your grade. So you know how to do the math, and once you get all the grades, this is how we do the percentages. Based on that, you get a letter grade. This is how I give my grades, and those are frequent questions and answers. Like students, they tell me, do you give A's and B's? Of course I do, but it's based on your performance, nothing else. How can I get a high grade? Well, you should start from day one. Take notes. do the homework on daily basis, and I usually give bonus points, so take advantage of them. If you tell me my major is blah 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 and I need a high grade, but I was busy the whole semester doing other things, I will do anything to raise my grade. Can you give me extra assignments? I will tell you from day one, even before day one. If you don't start from day one, it's your problem. I have a lot of students to worry about. You mean a lot to me, but it's your responsibility. So if it will be too late if you wake up late, don't wake up late. I'm willing to help you in my office. We also have a learning lab, but don't tell me I have 15-20 credit hours. It's your choice. What you make, it's what you get. If you are absent or leave early or come late, are you going to pass with a good grade? Most likely not, but I hope you do. It's not my fault. It's the student's fault. In general, when it comes to the cell phones, I will never accept a cell phone in the student's hand for any reason. In case of emergency, let me know, and I will try to accommodate that for that day. But in general, no texting, no emailing, no taking pictures, no videotaping or anything. Thank you. And before I just finish, homework is already set up for you. I will close the homework most likely the night before any test, or maybe before. So you should be ready to do the test, and you should do all the homework. Students who don't do the homework on time suffer in the course, which I don't want you to suffer. So thank you, and make sure you are ready from